maneuver brought to you by today's guest star, Officer Allegedly. Seen here exiting the Peoria Police Department parking lot, like he just remembered a crime he left on the stove. First, let's talk right of way. It goes right out the window with distracted driving. Here in Illinois, where the roads are bad and the laws are ignored with confidence, when two vehicles approach an intersection at the same time, the one on the right goes first. That was me. I had the right of way. I also have the mental wherewithal to know how to use a cell phone hands-free while driving. Keeps me from being, distracted, which is why I saw him long before he saw me. And yes, all of this gives me the right to be slightly smug about following the law. But it won't make me any less dead. This guy, though, he had a vision, a dream, a holy mission. To roll that stop sign like he was in downtown Naples and traffic laws were loose artistic metaphors. Because calling in to his favorite drive time radio DJ to try to be caller 9 is more important than other people just trying to get to work. He just glided out like an undercover Uber driver late to his weekly delusion check-in. I'm not saying he was a cop, but if you're leaving the Peoria Police Department parking lot while breaking traffic law on the most basic level, you've either got a badge or a PhD in imposter syndrome. And you're giving cops a bad name. Meanwhile, I stopped. I checked. I obeyed. Because I've run into dipshits like this before. Because I know what happens when drivers on phones forget that motorcycles are not optional rendering assets in real life. This is what kills people. This right here. Not malice. Just casual carelessness in the shape of a Kia Optima. Listen, I don't care if you're a cop, a deputy, or just someone who bought Dockers and proximity. You came out of a law enforcement lot with a phone glued to your face like a second chin, rolled a stop sign like it was beneath you, and one day that carelessness might mean you T-bone a guy on a motorcycle who actually read the rulebook you've clearly been using as a coaster. That makes you dangerous. Not brave, not busy, not entitled. Just a 2-ton liability in khakis and delusion. Your slice of the thin blue line might leave a bright red smear on the pavement someday. All because the second you chose your phone over your responsibility, you stopped being cop adjacent. And you started being the problem I bought a GoPro for. Because if someone does something as stupid as driving their cell phone instead of their car and kills me, I want someone to know how I went out.